morning and welcome back to Mini Farm SM1. It's obviously been raining all night, so I have to go out into the rain to get everyone sorted for the day. I just thought I'd jump on and say a quick hello. So I'm just going to have a quick hello with the guinea pigs, with Anna the bunny, and then I'm going to go into the rain. Good morning, guys. We've got Everest on the top this morning. What are you doing up here? Red eyes. And then we've got everyone else down here. Everyone alright? Hey, Cookie. And Sky over there. Good morning, guys. But then my Anna. Her babies are doing fabulously well. Oh, they're obviously all snuggled up at the moment. It's a little bit chilly in here today. We're in the conservatory. Hey, sweetie. You want to come say hi? Anna loves a cuddle. She puts her head down. When you hold her, she snuggles into your neck. She's so lovely. Hi. So obviously, come rain or shine, I have to be out in the garden sorting out the animals. I've actually got to fill up the food bins this morning. One of those things, I should have done it last night. I brought the food around from the storage area, but now I've got to go outside and put it in the bins and spend extra time doing that in the rain. Never mind. That's life, that's farming life. You've got to do the chores no matter what the weather. Wish me luck. So that's all for today. Well, this morning. Luckily it didn't rain the entire time I was outside, I'm glad to say. So yeah, that's it. See you again soon. Cleaning out hutches time. Never ending task. Hiya there, Dean. Can I see you? There you are. Hello. So, round the side to Rose, Ella and Maui. So, dustpan and brush. And a bin bag for the rubbish. top is never as bad as the bottom. I give them a litter tray, but they're two rather large bunnies in a not very huge cage. But they do use their litter tray, as you can see. We'll empty that out, and that will get filled with new bedding. Excuse me, girls. And then you just remove all of the dirty bedding. I put newspaper on the bottom so that I can roll it up, same as with the piggies. Roll it up and then hopefully put it straight into the bag. Up anything left behind. The hardest part about cleaning out rabbit cages is that they're nosy. You're trying to clean them up and they're constantly getting in the way because they want to see what you're doing to their home, which I think is fair. It is their home. Newspapers, free ones you buy, whatever they are, brilliant, absorbent, and you can get them for free. If you have family members that read the paper, get them to collect up and use them. I still think wood chips are, especially if you're using litter trays, definitely use wood chips. Best that you can do, but I would definitely say put newspapers on the bottoms of cages, because then it's a lot easier with cleanup. Because like you saw, I just roll it up, pull it out, done. So I'm just going to put a layer of newspaper down. I will put a little wood chips on the bottom, but not a lot, because obviously I want to encourage them to use their litter tray. Rabbits are clean animals. They want a clean home. Use that to your advantage. Bit of newspaper in the bottom of their litter tray. I've brought some hay over for them, so I'm going to actually pop this at the top today. They've got so much at the bottom, they're going to run out of room. So, wood chips into the litter tray. What I try and do is cover the newspaper. Rabbits are chewers. Cover the newspaper to try and stop them from pulling it out and chewing on it. Rose is currently trying to run away. Get back in there, you. Thank you. Then, like I said, just little sprinkling on the bottom, help absorb anything that they don't actually do in the litter tray. And then that's it, they're done. Sorry, Ella. There we go. Put their bowls back in. That's it. Drop it whilst we're going, why don't I? And that's it. Clean out done for the week. And they've all covered in wood chips again because they're so nosy. Now I'm going to do Maui's cage. Now this is a rabbit that doesn't really use his litter tray. He prefers to create a great big pile in the back here. Absolute mess instead. So before. Okay, this is Maui's cage, all nice and clean. Nice. Thank you for joining us today at Mini Farm SM1. Please like and share this video. Leave a comment down below and I will see you soon. Bye.